Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
What you gonna say? I love you.
I love you, Mama.
Papa. I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Kiss.
Correct. A day in my life. So, nagawa ako ng Spanish bread kasi na-stress ako. Ang Hilason is here, mga my guys. Tapos, kinantahan ni Naknak ang kanyang grandma from the Philippines. She's singing a happy birthday to her grandma. She loved her grandma. So, finally, she really serious even though she have pink eye. Nagkapiskat yung anak ko. Galing pa kami sa simbahan. Sinabi ko na yon. Pero, nagpunta na kami sa doctor. She have eye drops. Kasi the doctor said she get that pink eye or in the toys. Not sanitizer, but not here in the house because our house is clean. So, that's what mga my guys. So, I'm the parents. So, I always do my best job to my family. So, wake up in the midnight, giving her something medicine. And then, wake up in the midnight, giving her another milk, mga my guys. So, yan po yun, mga my guys. So, yan po talaga ako. I salute to all single mom, to all out there, especially yung mga single mom, nagtratrabaho doon sa ibang bansa. We are very proud, mga my guys. The good thing, God gave us strength and good health. So, I'm gonna list what time is now to make sure her eye drops or her kuan medicine is every right time. So, finally, nag-drink na siya ng kanyang milk dito. So, sinabihan ko siya, you get hurry because I'm gonna put eye drops on your eye and we are fighting on that, mga my guys. So, pag she got runny nose, I use this Vicks, mga my guys. Lagyan hot Vicks na siya, mga my guys ba. Kanang liquid siya, lagyan ko na siya ng kuan liquid dyan. Tapos mag-hot na siya, help her all her nose, runny nose. And finally, dito na. Who gonna experience like this? It's very hard. The doctor said, Mama, you need to do two of the daddy and you. We're gonna hold her because it's very hard. And I told to her doctor, it's fine, doc. I can do it. And finally, it make me mad. I try my best, mga my guys, para lang mabutangan yung pink eye. She have lot of excuses. She said, So, I'm gonna, mga my guys, she told me, Mommy, put this baby. I told, I got mad, huh? You gonna help me. So that, mga my guys, tingnan nyo yan. Undag, layog-layog talaga kami dyan kasi hindi talaga yan siya mapakali kasi yung eye drop. So finally, nalagyan ko na siya. Nasuko na ko, mga my guys. So tingnan nyo yan yung Mommy. So 24/7 yon. Mag-aalaga tayo sa ating mga anak, no, to make sure they are healthy, mga my guys. But sometimes the mga bacteria, mga my guys, ng mga hugawan, mauna, mga my guys, no. Tapos yung ulam namin is tangkong at saka ukoy, mga my guys, shrimp ukoy. So yan po yung ginagawa ko para mag-iba naman yung dinner niya. Tapos yan po yung dinner namin, fried shrimp na nilagyan ko ng cornstarch, harina flour. Tapos yan po yun ka, daddy, mashed potato at saka baked chicken, mga my guys. So, iba-iba kami ng dinner, mga my guys, no. Pero yan po yun ang dinner ni daddy, baked chicken, very healthy. So, yan na po yung video namin. Thank you for watching.